Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be getting the Fiesta back up and running before the stripping, because the next thing to come off is the rear beam and the tank. So I want to make sure it's actually running, because when I take it apart this time, the running gear, the tank and everything like that won't be going back on until it's finished. So I remember last time I tried to start it, there was no power to the ignition, but I put the ECU on, put the battery on, and the red lights on the dash, and it wasn't last time. Don't know why, but it's working this time, so there's nothing to find. I'm not got a multimeter, so I'm going to use that as a multimeter. Power probe, I've come equipped, but the red lights on the dash, I'm just going to knock it out of gear. It's gone off now. So it turns out the fault's actually back. The first time I tried it, the ignition came on, and since it came on I've not actually touched anything. So I'm going to go ahead, snug these up. Normally it won't matter, but I'll snug them up and see how we go. So I've tightened the battery and we still had nothing, but I think it's the wiring on the inside, because I've given it all a wiggle. And now we have ignition. We've got 12.5 volts on the battery. Well, we weren't expecting that. Let's give it another. Go ahead and try again, make sure it's not a fluke. Unfortunately, that's going to be the end of the video. Right now, I'm already in the third video after the one that this is. So I've got the Fiesta emptied. There's not actually that much in there, so a little sneak peek. I'm going to be welding all the floor, all of these cavities which I cut out about a year ago. And I know it's only a short video, but I was expecting a lot of fault finding, a little bit of wiring, because there's that wiring there, that's all burnt. I was expecting to replace all that. I didn't even have to take a spark plug out or anything like that, it just fired right up. But I suppose that's a good thing, it just makes for a shorter video. So I'll be doing a full running video as soon as this one's up. So go ahead and leave a like, don't forget to comment, and make sure to subscribe, so we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.